Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Praying with the Heart, and I am back today to share my project that I sent for my card kit swap and collab. So I think I'm going to end up with, 15 ladies who participated in the swap, which is super exciting. So the swap was basically to put together a little kit, all the ingredients and pieces that you would need to make a card, and you would make 5 of these and send them off to me, and then I would swap them out and you would get different ones back. And then we're going to have, which is what we're doing right now, is a little hop or a collab where all the people who participated are linked down below. You can go to each different YouTube channel, see what project they made, get some card making ideas, and the people who participated in the collab could see different cards that were made, as well as how to make the kits that they receive in the mail. So this is the one that I made. I kept mine pretty simple. I just put all the pieces into an envelope, clear envelope, and this is how they come. So in my kit, let me share with you what's in my kit. So in my kit, anyone who received a kit from me received a card base, A2 size card base, as well as this piece of paper. This paper is from the Julie Nutting. I think they call it I forget what, A6 or something paper. It's 8.5 by 11 or 8 by 11 paper pads that Prima does. And this was the Julie Nutting one that she had. So I used that as well as other paper from that same collection. I cut a circle, and then I also cut a layering piece here that I used a scallop punch on. And so the person, you would have a choice of whether, what side you want to use. I had a hard time like deciding what I wanted to do. So I think I opted for the other way. So you get those pieces from me, as well as these 2 super cute little ice creams that I put together. And so how I made these are from the Lawn Fawn ice cream. I think it's called ice cream, you scream, or something like that. It's a cutting die. Let me show you here. It's a cutting die from Lawn Fawn. So it's actually a standalone die. You don't need any stamps for this die. And so what I did was I just used my Copics and colored a piece of white paper in this minty color, and then I colored another in this kind of rose color, and I just then used the dies to cut out my images. So really, really simple. Scraps were used for these pieces as well as the cherry, and that's basically that. That way the person doesn't have to color it or anything like that. Super simple. So for this card, I'm using my ATG. I finally loaded it up because it was empty for a while because I had some ATG struggles, which happens to me quite often. And then I put aside my ATG gun in disgust and try other adhesives. And so it's kind of what happened to me. I'm going to put this down first. The sweet that's there, that is a die from my stash. I want to say it's a Lawn Fawn die. Okay, and then I'm going to put this one down. And so this is a super simple little card layout, I think, but I like it. So what I'm going to do for my ice creams is I'm actually going to put them on some foam tape just because I want to give these little guys some dimension. But this is a super, super cute little die set. And it is, like I said, a standalone set. So, I really like it. All right, I'm gonna put all these little pieces in here, and then I'm just going to take off my little mounting strips. I buy the giant roll of the 3M mounting, and I'm gonna do that one there. And so really easy little card. This one's going to go there. And then here is my sentiment. I just cut this out of a rose gold glitter paper that I had in my stash. And I'm going to put it right down here. And I'm actually going to use some glue for that, if I can get my glue working for me. Let's hope it works for me. And then make sure that you go and you visit everyone else. And I think that that's just really a good way to support everybody who participated. And then I am actually going to be having a little challenge, which is going to be coming up shortly. It should be fun. It's going to be a pretty easy little challenge that's going to be coming up very, very soon. Just working out the details of it. Okay, so here is my super cute little card. So if you're one of the little swappers who swapped with me, this is what the card, you know, I envisioned it looking like. But of course, you can make your card any way that you want. And then you can go ahead and go along the little hop, visit all of the wonderful crafters who participated, give them some love on their channel, and they'll have some card making ideas for you, all different types and styles. It's really, really cool. So thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Creating with the Heart.